Hello, Internet denizens. Welcome to another thrilling episode where we delve into the wild west of the Internet, specifically the intersection of social media and defamation lawsuits. Buckle up, because the cases we're about to explore are so bizarre, you'll question the very fabric of reality. I mean, you'll probably spit out your coffee. Prepare yourselves. We live in an age where a single tweet can launch 1,000 ships or 1,000 lawsuits. Social media, that double-edged sword of instant connection and unchecked opinions, has dramatically altered the landscape of defamation law. Before the digital age, spreading a false and damaging statement required a bit more effort. Think pamphlets, town criers, maybe a really well-placed whisper campaign. Now, one click and your words are ricocheting across the globe, potentially causing irreparable harm. The traditional elements of defamation, a false statement published to a third party causing damage to the plaintiff's reputation, remain the same. But the speed and scale of social media have exponentially increased the potential for damage. Consider this: a single defamatory tweet can reach millions in seconds. Traditional media like newspapers might take days or weeks to reach a similar audience. This speed and reach are precisely what makes social media such a potent weapon, or, shall we say, a very sharp legal sword. Let's talk about jurisdiction. Where do you sue someone who posts defamatory content from halfway across the world? The Internet doesn't respect geographical boundaries, creating a legal quagmire for both plaintiffs and defendants. This jurisdictional ambiguity has led to a surge in complex legal battles, with courts grappling to determine which laws apply and whether they even have the power to compel a defendant to appear. It's a fascinating legal chess match, played out on a global scale. And then there's the issue of anonymity. The Internet fosters a culture of pseudonyms and hidden identities. Tracking down the source of a defamatory post can be like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. This anonymity empowers malicious actors, shielding them from accountability. But the courts are getting savvier. They're increasingly utilizing digital forensics and compelling social media platforms to reveal user information, leading to some surprisingly effective takedowns. Some of these cases have involved incredibly creative detective work. I mean, truly impressive stuff. The sheer volume of content on social media also presents a challenge. How do you sift through millions of posts to identify defamatory ones? It's a monumental task, often requiring sophisticated monitoring tools and substantial legal resources. This asymmetry of resources often favors the deep-pocketed corporations and individuals who can afford extensive legal teams. Let's look at some examples. Remember that infamous case involving the celebrity chef and the food critic? The critic's scathing review shared on social media went viral, causing a significant dip in the chef's restaurant reservations. The chef sued, arguing that the review was not only unfair but also contained demonstrably false statements. The case dragged on for years, costing both parties a fortune in legal fees. The final verdict. Well, let's just say I wonder what planet the judge was on when they delivered that verdict. It was truly unexpected. Or how about the politician who was the target of a coordinated smear campaign on Twitter? Thousands of bots and fake accounts spread false and damaging allegations, severely impacting their reputation and electoral prospects. The politician sued, but proving the coordinated nature of the campaign and identifying the perpetrators proved incredibly difficult. This case highlights the challenges of combating organized online defamation. It's a David versus Goliath story, but with a whole army of Goliaths. And then there's the case of the influencer who falsely accused a competitor of using harmful ingredients in their products. The accusation, spread across multiple platforms, resulted in a significant loss of sales for the competitor. The resulting lawsuit exposed the complexities of proving malice and intent in online defamation cases. The defense? It was just a joke. The judge's response? Well, let's just say the judge wasn't laughing. The legal battles surrounding social media defamation are constantly evolving. Courts are still grappling with the unique challenges presented by the digital age, attempting to balance the protection of free speech with the need to prevent reputational harm. New laws and legal precedents are emerging, but the landscape remains fluid and unpredictable. One of the biggest challenges for plaintiffs is proving actual malice, the requirement that a public figure must prove that a statement was made with knowledge of its falsity or reckless disregard for the truth. This high bar makes it difficult to win defamation lawsuits, particularly in cases involving online commentary. It's a legal hurdle designed to protect free speech, but it also shields those who knowingly spread false information. The rise of cancel culture further complicates matters. While not directly a legal concept, cancel culture can have devastating consequences, effectively destroying reputations and livelihoods. While it doesn't always involve legally actionable defamation, the line between vigorous criticism and targeted harassment is often blurred. The emotional and financial toll of being canceled is substantial, even if no legal recourse is available. It's a gray area, a legal Wild West, where the rules are constantly being rewritten. Social media companies themselves also play a significant role. They are often named as defendants in defamation lawsuits, accused of failing to remove defamatory content or adequately protect users from online abuse. These companies are navigating a complex balancing act, striving to uphold free speech while also mitigating the harm caused by their platforms. It's a delicate tightrope walk, and they often stumble. The future of defamation law in the age of social media is uncertain. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the legal challenges associated with online defamation. New legal strategies will emerge, and courts will continue to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of the digital world. One thing is certain, though. The intersection of social media and defamation law will remain a fascinating and fiercely contested battleground for years to come. And we'll be here, popcorn in hand, to watch it all unfold. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and maybe think twice before you tweet. You might just find yourself in a courtroom drama of your own making.